So going to make page 3 here. Which equation has a graph that you can trace to the value x that makes 8 equals 2x minus 6 a true statement? Well, it's the one that has 2x minus 8. So, graph 3. Now, why might it be easier to solve this to find the value? Well, easier than what? Well, easier than a table because, and a graph, twofold. One person told me today that it's faster, and to that I agree. Also, one person told me that it would be more exact. Because if this is a decimal, which this won't be, but if it were a decimal, we probably wouldn't be graphing it, and we probably wouldn't see it in the table. It says, which equation has a graph that contains the point 7, negative 35? So we try the first one. If we put 7 right in here, that's going to be 14, not negative 35. The next one, if we put 7 in here, we do get negative 35. So just to prove that point, negative 5x, and so negative 35 equals 7 times, negative 5 times 7, which is negative 35, and that's negative 35. So we found the equation, and so down here it says, the following 2 points lie on the graph that contains that point. So we're still going to use y equals negative 5x and negative 5x. Find the missing coordinate. Well, in this case, we're missing x. So we have x. We're missing y. So negative 5 times negative 1.2. Well, here's what I know. I know a positive times a positive, a negative times a negative is positive, and 5 times 12 is 60. So 5 times 1.2 is 6. In the other one, we've got negative 15, and we've got negative 5x. So we divide both sides by negative 5. And so x equals 3. So we have 6, we have 3. It says, which equations have a positive rate of change, which equations have a negative rate of change, which equations have a rate of change equal to 0. So I'm going to zoom out here so I can see them again. So the first one has a positive rate of change. The second one has a negative rate of change. The third one has a positive rate of change. The fourth one has a negative rate of change. And then the fifth one has a 0 rate of change. There we go. Page 3 done.